Welcome to the same room and direct feed the seat. What is shown to everyone is our star product. Roof insulation made of premium rubber. This product features an active look, a complicated inner structure, and high heat insulation efficiency. Thickened nuts. The inner tube can be made of pure copper tube or copper aluminum composite tube. Currently, the available thickness options are 6, 9, 13, and 55 mm. Welcome to customization. Soft in texture, it fits any curved or oddly shaped pipeline perfectly. Easy DIY installation saves costs. It means the flame retardant standard and uses eco-friendly materials with low thermal conductivity to lock in heat, with great moisture, UV resistance, and noise reduction. It's of excellent quality and depth. We only use top-notch copper materials designated by leading brands, with a 3-year warranty and over 15 years of industry experience. Changzhou Jiahao Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited specializes in air conditioning refrigeration equipment products. Contact us for more product information and pricing.